The 2026 Concorso d'Eleganza Wildest once again proved why it remains one of the most prestigious automotive gatherings in the world. Set against the breathtaking scenery of Lake Como in Italy, the event brought together some of the rarest classic automobiles, futuristic concepts, and passionate enthusiasts from around the globe. But while the concourse featured countless historic masterpieces, two world premieres completely stole the spotlight this year: the Vision BMW ALPINA and the BMW Motorrad Vision K18. BMW used Wildest as the perfect stage to showcase both luxury and performance heritage, while also giving visitors a glimpse into the future. The atmosphere around the reveals felt electric throughout the weekend, with crowds gathering around the concepts from the moment they appeared on the lawns of Wildest. The Vision BMW ALPINA quickly became one of the most photographed vehicles at the event. Enthusiasts had been waiting to see how BMW would shape the future of the ALPINA brand after officially taking control of the company, and this concept gave the clearest indication yet. Instead of creating something overly aggressive or futuristic to the point of losing identity, BMW delivered a grand touring machine that respected ALPINA heritage while pushing the design into a completely new era. The proportions immediately stood out. The concept featured a long wheelbase, a low roofline, elegant body surfacing, and a very clean profile that emphasized luxury rather than pure aggression. Signature ALPINA-inspired wheel designs remained present, while subtle gold accents and refined detailing reminded visitors that this was still deeply connected to the brand's traditional identity. Inside, the Vision BMW ALPINA focused heavily on comfort, craftsmanship, and technology. The cabin looked more like a luxury lounge than a traditional performance car interior. Premium leather materials, polished metallic accents, and minimalist digital displays created an environment designed for effortless long-distance travel. Many visitors described it as one of the most elegant concept interiors BMW has revealed in years. While the Vision BMW ALPINA represented refined luxury, the BMW Motorrad Vision K18 delivered something completely different. The massive motorcycle concept brought a dramatic and muscular presence to Wildest and instantly became one of the most talked about vehicles of the entire event. The Vision K18 appeared inspired by classic BMW touring motorcycles, but reimagined with futuristic proportions and aggressive styling. The oversized boxer engine remained the centerpiece of the design, proudly exposed as part of the motorcycle's visual identity. Long flowing body panels, precision machine details, and a low-stretched stance gave the motorcycle a powerful appearance that looked almost cinematic in person. BMW Motorrad clearly wanted the K18 to create emotion rather than simply preview a production model. Every angle of the concept looked sculpted to attract attention. The large fuel tank, illuminated elements, and dramatic rear section gave the motorcycle an unmistakable presence, especially under the lights of Lake Como during the evening presentations. Throughout the weekend, social media became flooded with photos and videos from both premieres. Automotive fans praised the Vision BMW ALPINA for its elegance and timeless proportions, while motorcycle enthusiasts were drawn to the Vision K18 because of its bold design and strong connection to BMW heritage. Beyond the premieres, the 2026 Concorso d'Eleganza Wildest continued to celebrate automotive history with rare pre-war classics, iconic race cars, vintage grand tourers, and collector vehicles displayed throughout the event grounds. The famous Villa Erba Public Day also attracted large crowds of enthusiasts and collectors who traveled from across Europe and beyond. What made this year especially memorable was the contrast between heritage and future design. Visitors could walk from a priceless vintage racing car directly toward futuristic concept vehicles that previewed the next generation of BMW luxury and motorcycle design. That balance is exactly what continues to make Villa d'Este one of the most unique automotive events in the world. For BMW, the event was a major success. The Vision BMW ALPINA and BMW Motorrad Vision K18 became the defining stars of the weekend and demonstrated that the company is still willing to create emotional, dramatic concepts that spark conversation among enthusiasts worldwide.